Hey guys, what's up? Okay, first thing I do, I don't know why I do this. So I always grab my just eyebrow pencil and I just take the spoolie that is on the end and I just brush out my eyebrows. There's a mirror here, so if I'm looking, yeah, I don't know, it makes me feel a little more put together even though it looks no different. And then I like to put on my primer. So this is my favorite primer ever. And I bought this like 2 years ago. And there's still a decent amount left in here. It's really expensive, but it lasts a long time and it works really well. I tried the Benefit Professional before this because everybody on YouTube talked about it, and I tried it and like I convinced myself that I liked it, and I was like, yeah, I like this, it's so good, like I look so good, wow, like beauty gurus are like, yeah, woot, I'm such a beauty guru. But then after, it was just kind of doing nothing, but I was just like spending my money on it because it's like a placebo effect, I guess. And then I got this tiny little sample of the Smashbox primer and I ran out of Professional, and then I tried it and I was like, whoa. And then after that, I just take my eyelash curler and I like to curl my lashes. And yeah, that's basically what I do. I use this Tarte eyelash curler and I really like it because it has more of a width to it than other eyelash curlers, so I can really get all my lashes, and it's good for like almond shaped eyes, and I just like repeatedly clamp it, and sometimes I'll like lift it up a little to get myself an extra curl. And yeah, curling your lashes just really opens up your face, and I'm obsessed with eyelashes. I used to have eyelashes, well, there's pinch my eyelid. I actually used to have eyelash extensions, but they were really expensive and just no thanks. It was like $250 to get them initially put on, and then to pay $80 every 3 or 4 weeks to get them refilled, which is just not necessary for a 15-year-old. I was 15, I'm 16. I don't even know why my parents let me do that. Like, that is so strange when I think back on it. But I would definitely get them again once I can make my own money. Okay, so now I've prepared my base. Like, honestly, I would go out like this. Like, this is more than I usually do, but that doesn't really make a heck of a video. When it comes to the base, I use 2 products. I like to use the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer or the Milk Matte Foundation, and these are both really good. This one is so nice. It looks so natural. It like blends in flawlessly. Like, your skin actually looks like baby smooth. With this one, it is kind of just more of a, like, it is a tinted moisturizer, and like that's all it really is. So it just kind of gives the skin an extra dewy, more even layer, but I wouldn't say it is really gonna cover anything. I actually like this one better. It doesn't even feel heavy at all, but the only thing is that this takes a little bit more effort to blend in, and that's a lot. Like, doing this is a lot of work. I both really like these, but I feel like I'll do this one just for today. This is really like potent. Like, it will go a long way. So all I really do is I do a tiny little drop like that. So if I need more, I'll go back, but this is usually fine. So then once I have it, I'll just dot it on my face. I think I underdid it. I need more than this. The thing about this foundation is that it looks really sketchy once you first start, like when you first start blending, it looks really bad. Like, it looks like it's not gonna blend, and it looks really patchy and really bad. But as you start as you start blending, it kind of takes its form. It also looks really orange when you first start blending. I don't know why. When you first start blending, this foundation looks horrible. But as you keep on going, it looks so good. But you see, you have to really put in a lot of elbow grease, which is the only downside. And I have a little dead spot right here recently, so we've gotta even that out. Next, I'm gonna put on lip balm because I feel like my lips are really dry. And I love this lip balm. It's the L'Occitane, I don't wanna say L'Occitane. I don't know how to say it, but it's this rose lip balm. I think it's a signature product from them because I don't know, but put on it. And it's so nice. I love it. Next, I'm gonna move on to brows. And I just used the NYX brow pencil. I've tried the Anastasia Brow Wiz and I really like it. But personally, I like this better. And I think it's a better shade match for me too. This is called Black. It's the darkest shade. And it's just black. And I really like the natural look. So the Anastasia Brow Wiz kind of made my eyebrows a little too strong by like not even intending to, so that's why I like this one. So all I really do is I go like this in just tiny little strokes. I'll move to the front and then I'll spoolie it and just fix it a little bit. Sometimes honestly I'll just take my foundation and then I'll just pop it onto my brow, or like the leftover of my beauty blender, to soften it up a little bit. That's basically what I do. I'm not that good at doing brows. I went through a really bad brow phase and my mom told me it was bad, but I was like, no, it's good. Curl my eyelashes again because there's no end. I just kind of stopped trying with mascara because no matter what, it just made them look worse. I've tried the Roller Lash. I've tried Better Than Sex. I've tried Lash Paradise. I've tried literally probably every mascara that is like popular, and never have any of them worked for me, so I kind of just gave up. Normally I would just take lip liner and put some on, and that's about it. And if I feel a little bit extra, I will either take the like cream bronzer, and I'll do cream bronzer, or I'll take a little bit of cream highlighter. So it's either one or the other. It's never both really because I'm too lazy for that. So if I'm want to feel more bronze, I'll just do a little bit of bronzer, and if I want to just feel a little bit more glowy, I'll just put some cream highlighter on. So I'm feeling a little bit more what do I want? I'm feeling a little more glowy today, so I'll do this. This is the RMS Living Luminizer thing. This is what it looks like. And it's very natural, which if you can't tell is the look I like. So I just very gently just dab some on. So now I just kind of kiss my head a little bit and get rid of the excess. And I look horrible in like lipstick. I don't know why, but lipstick just looks really bad on me. It just pops out on my skin, and but not in a good way. It literally looks like so weird and out of place, so I don't know. So what I take is I just take lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner in Subculture. I really like this shade, and I just kind of take it and just line my lips a little bit. Or if I'm feeling risky, I'll put on the bottom like this to overline them just a little, like that. So my beloved Rose lip balm, best lip balm ever. And then I'll just take a little bit, and then I just mix it all in. And that is what I get. And then last, I just kind of take this Tatcha spray, the Dewy Skin Mist. Honestly, a waste of money, and I only use it because I bought it. And I just let that set in. Does nothing, as you can see. And last but not least, because I haven't done it enough, I recurl my lashes one last time. I'm gonna continue going on the rest of my day. I have nothing to do. I'm probably gonna edit this video, make some lunch, and I have dance later tonight. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Hope you liked watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Wrist looking like it been dipped, dipping that, dipping that, dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped, flipping that, flipping that, flipping that.